Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. We love Notion because we love to be productive. A productive day is the best day in the world and as well as best for our future. So let's create a daily planner in Notion which will help us to have a productive day. So let's do it. So the very first thing we are going to do is take a new page and name it as daily planner. So let's choose an icon. So here from the icon menu, we'll choose an icon. For example, we're going to choose the calendar icon for now. And also you can add a cover if you want so. To create anything in Notion, the first important thing is database. So click on slash and database. So there is total 8 type of view. We are going to choose the calendar view. And of course, we will not take any existing database. We'll choose new calendar. And now here it's time to work on it. So the first thing we are going to give it a title. Same as daily planner, and I don't think we need this title, so let's hide this database title. And then simply we'll create a template which will be our daily planner. So new template plus new template, and in the name section we want a date. So for that, simply click on the @ and here you will find today. Click on it. And then let's change the date format. So click on the date and date format and time zone, and then date format. And from here we'll choose the full date. So here we can see April 16, 2024. And also you can choose date from here. So we can use the text property as importance of our days. So let's rename it and name it as importance, and let's create a tag. So I'll write 3 tags here. The first one is high, then medium, and then low. So let's change the color. Medium should be green and low should be red. Low should be gray and high should be red. So let's choose red color for this one. So let's select this property. Just we can choose only one. So it's gonna be high. So then here we have to create our daily planner. So in the empty section, we'll take 2 column here. So for that slash, then 2 column. Alright, select. So now here we can see there is a column. Also in the right side there will be another column here. So in the first column we want to schedule our day. So let's write schedule and let's change the font size as text heading 3. Alright, it's good. Then we want to divider, and here we'll schedule our day. So then again we are going to take another block, click on slash, then choose to-do list. And for example, we want to start our day from 5 a.m. So let's write it down here and let's make it bold. Then click on the enter button 2 times, then again slash divider, and we are going to do the same thing, repeat to-do list and make it at 6 a.m. and let's make it bold. In this section, we'll schedule our day from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. And the interesting thing is we only have to do it once. So let's complete it. So here we can see our day schedule. Once you click on any task in the right hand, just click on the check mark so we can understand it's done. And also you can write down your work schedule here. For example, in the 6 a.m. I'm going to read a book. So read a book. It's as simple as that. And in the right side, we'll set our goal, to-do, reminder and meal plan. So let's start from goal. Simple, write down goal and turn this text into heading 3, then click on slash and divider, and then another block, click on slash call out, and let's change the icon, goal icon, so target, yes, this one, and write down your goal here. For example, first goal of the day. And let's just duplicate this and again duplicate this. So here is total 3 goal. You can also change the icon if you want so it's second goal, and it's third goal of the day. And then we are going to create our to-do list. Write to do, then let's turn this text into heading 3, then slash divider and slash, then to-do list here. So let's write something to do 1, 2, 2, do 3. And also you can add a space here, for example like this, and let's let the name if you don't want. So let's let this, I think it looks better now. Alright, and then here is our meal planner. Same thing we are going to do, write down meal plan and turn this text into, of course, heading 3, then create a divider here, and then again slash call out, and let's change the icon, for example meal icons. In the breakfast we can choose this one, so let's write breakfast, and then again let's just duplicate this and let's change the icon, meal icon, it will be our lunch, then again duplicate and let's change the icon, meal, so it will be our dinner. Alright, and we can also create a reminder here. So reminder, and let's turn this text into heading 3. Click on enter, then divider, then slash, call out. Then let's change the icon, warning icon. I think this one looks great. And let's change the background color. I think red looks good, red background. Alright, so it's our reminder if you have a reminder for the day. And then there is one more thing left. So note, turn this text into heading 3. Click on slash, then call out. And let's change the background color, gray background. And let's change the icon as note icon. Sorry, paper. Yeah, this one looks good. And yeah, let's get some space here. And we can write something, for example, your daily note here. Alright, so it's our daily planner and we just created our template so we don't have to do it repeat again. So let's go back and again click on here and let's select it as default. Go for all views in daily planner, yes. And then also you want to create a daily planner, just click on the plus icon and you will see there is a new list will be automatically added. So here is our daily planner, which means we don't have to create it every day manually. In my previous video, I already show you how to create an advanced daily planner. So to continue this series in this video, I'll show you how to create a weekly planner. This planner will include a weekly planner, a basic notepad, and a straightforward task manager. So let's do it. Alright, so the first thing is first, I'm going to name this page as weekly planner. And let's add an icon and let's find a calendar icon. So this one, alright. Also let's change the icon color as a theme color. So here, from here, we are going to choose the red and let's select the red icon. So it's always best to work in a full screen. So for that, I'm going to click on the 3-dot icon and small text, full width. So now here we can see we have our full screen view. So we'll divide our page in 3 columns. For that, click on slash and let's select the 3 column here. In the very first column, we will add some widget or maybe any Spotify list just to look this planner more better. So for that, we have to visit a website. It's called widgetbox.app. So here you'll find so many widgets. We just need one widget. It's called Retro block. So let's click on the create. So from here, we can change some style, for example, background, text color, and rounded corner, and also block type. So as we already select our theme as red color, so we are going to change this background as red color. So for that, click black square. From here, let's choose the red pencil or maybe this one. I think yeah, it looks more better. And all we need is this link here. So let's click on the copy and back to Notion. Let's just paste it here. So we are going to choose on the create embed. So now here we can see our retro block here. So again, now we need a playlist. So for that, just get your favorite playlist from Spotify or any other music platform. I'm just going to paste one of my favorite playlists here. So let's just paste the link and create embed. I think I made a mistake, so I'm just going to drag it to here. Now it looks more better. Alright, so it's time to back to our main work, create our daily planner. So let's click on slash and then call out. Let's change the color as our theme red color. So from here we can choose the red background. Now it looks more better. And let's change the icon as calendar icon. Yeah. Now click on slash, then to-do list, and let's drag it to our callout block. Alright, here we can write our day name. So we are going to start our day from Monday. Let's change the color if you want so let's see how it looks on red color. So let's just duplicate the to-do list from here, duplicate, and again duplicate. And again, one more time, let's duplicate this. So now we can see we have our 4 to-do list for a week, and you can also make it more or less as by your preference. So let's select this block and just copy it and let's paste it. And again, one more time. So let's change the date. And once we are done, let's select all this and copy it and let's paste it in the last column. So again, let's rename the date. So here we are all set. I think it will look more better if we turn our title to the bold text. So let's try it. Yeah, I think it looks more better now. Alright, so here is our weekly planner, but there's a bunch of things still left to do. So let's click on slash and we're going to take a new database. So table view, alright, and select a new table. Name it as to do. Let's hide the database title, we don't need this anymore, and let's write some works name. Alright, we are all set, and we have to create some tags. So daily task, and then weekly task, and then monthly task. Alright, so let's change the color. We are going to set all as red color, I think. Yeah, red, and then monthly red. Alright, so here we need one more property. Click on the plus icon and let's select checkbox property as done. So now we are going to change the view. Click on the three dot, then layout, and we are going to choose the list view. So then again go back and let's select as group by text. So let's resize the group, first daily, then weekly of course, then monthly. Let's go back and properties again, then let's show the check mark. Alright, and now we are going to drag the list view here, but I think we need to mark our to-do list. So for that, let's write to-do list, and let's change the text as heading 3, and let's change the color as red. Alright, let's drag it to here and divider. Let's change the list name as 2. Now it looks more better. So now we have to create a notepad. For that, click on slash and then database, of course, table view. I love table view. Then new table. Let's name it as note, and let's hide this database title. We don't need this anymore. And we are going to create template for that. So click on here and create new template. So click on the @ and of course today, and again click on the today, and let's change the date format from here to of course full date. So alright, and let's add icon, date icon, then let's go back and again let's select set as default for all viewing notes. Alright, so now when we will create a new notepad, you can see there is a date automatically added plus an icon. So let's select the text property, we don't need this, and let's create another property, archive. So of course it will be the checkbox. Let's name it as archive. So I'd like to change the view of this notepad. For that, click on the three dot, and of course layout, we will change it to the gallery view. Now it looks better. So cart view, paste content, we don't have anything in our page, so let's write something, for example. So here you go. Let's go back, and of course we have to do something, layout, properties, and then we want to show these properties. So click on the icon. Now it looks better. Alright, let's drag it to the right corner. Now it looks better. But again, we made the same mistake. We didn't write our title. So let's do it. Note, turn this text into heading 3, and let's change the color. Let's change the color as red. Alright, slash divider, and let's drag to the top. So here is our weekly planner. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned well. In our previous video, we already learned how to create daily and weekly planner. And when it comes to make our monthly planner, it's a combination of daily planner with our monthly planner. So it's time to learn how to create our monthly planner. Alright, so the very first thing we are going to do is take a new page, name it as monthly planner, and let's add an icon. Alright, so it's time to create a database. So for that, click on slash, then gallery view, and we are going to start with a blank database. Alright, so we have to change some setting in our database view. So for that, click on three dot, and then layout, and then page content, it will be our page cover. Then open page in, it will be full page. Alright, then we are going to name it as monthly planner. So let's hide this database title, we don't need this anymore. And in the gallery view, we'll add our 12-month list. So the first one is January, and let's add an icon. So icon, let's add this icon. Alright, let's add a cover. So change cover and upload. So I already made some cover to look it more beautiful. So the first one is January, let it upload. Alright, so then we can reposition it. So I think, yeah, now it looks better. So let's go back to the monthly planner. So here we can see our January, and then again going to add our second month called February. Alright, then we are going to follow the same process, add an icon. Let's choose this icon, then add a cover, change cover, and I'm going to upload my February cover. So let's again reposition it. Let's bring it in the middle. Alright, now save position. Let's back to our monthly planner. So now here we can see January, February. We are going to add 12 months in the same way. So see you on sheet edit. Alright, so now here we can see our 12 month list. Alright, so then we are going to click on January, and let's make it full screen view. So for that, click on the three dot, and then small text full width. So let's delete this, we don't need this anymore. So then slash two column, we need two column here. So here we can see one column, and in the right side we can see here another column. So let's resize it. So in the right column we are going to link our database with our daily planner. So for that, click on slash, and then we are going to write calendar. Here we can see calendar view, and we are going to choose an existing database called daily planner. Then of course we are going to choose this calendar view. Alright, so here we can see it's May 2024, but our database was January. So for that we need to create a filter. Click on the filter icon. Then we are going to add advanced filter, and from the name we are going to choose the date, and is relative to today from is between, and we are going to select a date range. So it will be January, it will be January 1st to 31. Alright, so here we will find our January monthly planner, and in the left side we are going to add a monthly planner. So write monthly planner, and then let's turn this heading into heading 3 and enter, click slash divider. Alright, so then the first thing is focus, and let's make it bold, and also let's change the color to bring it more focus. So background, gray background. Alright, so let's create some focus list. For that, slash and then list. Here we can see bullet list, and then let's duplicate this. Again, let's duplicate this. Alright, then let's duplicate the focus and let's bring it here, and then we are going to rewrite it as goal. Then let's bold it. So now we are going to copy the list from here, and let's paste in the goal. Then we are again going to do the same thing, duplicate, and let's drag it here, and let's rewrite it as to do, and let's make it bold. This time we are going to take a different block. Click on slash, then to do checklist here, and then again let's just duplicate this one more time. Let's duplicate this. So again we are going to do the same thing. Let's click on to do and then duplicate, and let's drag it here and change the name as notes. So let's make it bold, then click on slash, call out, and let's take some space. Alright, now it looks more better. So this is how we are going to make our monthly planner. So that's it. If you still didn't subscribe yet, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.